Hello guys, and welcome back to the Victor Echo 2 Delta X-Ray Electronic Design Lab. And today I'm going to be making a short video to introduce to you the configuration setup for our new band decoder that's going to come out in early February. Well, mid. Always late. Trying to get back on top of things since the flood. Things are looking great. The lab is looking great, and we're really getting there. So let me show you. The way the setup works is simple enough. On any PC, cell phone, or tablet, you simply open it up. You're going to get a network that's going to show up called, in this case, ESP32, because I'm just running a test right now, but it's going to be called something more like VE2DX Band Decoder. And once you open this up, you will be able to go to, it's connecting right now, so it's going to give it a few seconds. Okay, so now it's connected. No, there's no internet because it's a private network. And wrong. Whoops. Okay, so we're going to go to the web page. The web page is called up by calling up address 192.168.1.1, and that will come up as the VE2 Electronic Band Decoder configuration page. You will get your instructions on how to configure the device and the phone numbers, email, or website for support. After that, you get the main settings, which are for BOA, SDI, the buzzer on or off, whether the SDI, the BOA, whether it's going to be operating in buzzer mode, in LED mode, or both. BOA, to remind you, is a blind operator assistance. It can also be used as a deaf operator assistance. If you've got an IBD2-BT which supports dual radio, you can use it as a dual radio antenna switch, a dual radio bandpass switch, antenna, and bandpass switching. That basically changed the way you configure the device. Your serial number, your Wi-Fi information, and this way you can change it to your local network. And then you configure your first radio if it's a dual radio unit like an IBD2. In the case of a single radio device, the IBD1s, then what you end up with is just the radio 1 configuration, where you select the type of radios that you will be able to talk to via CAT. Whether you're going to be in sniffer mode or you're going to be in get mode. Get mode is basically you request the information from the radio. Sniffer, you listen to what's going on as soon as you see the frequency go by. You set it up. You detect it. You've got 12 possible radio bands. You configure the start, you configure the end, always in kilohertz, always with no decimal. And then you select the output for that band. And then the next one, 80 meters. Oh, that's going to be number 1. Guess what? 40 meters. The first one. Here we go. Now that's 75 meters. Also number 1. And let's take 40 meters. Very common. 80-40 dipole. So we're going to put that also on number 1. So you go on like this. You select the outputs depending on the frequencies. You adjust the frequencies as you wish, and you just want to make sure they don't overlap. If they overlap, you're going to get an error message, and then everything gets saved to the unit, and you're up and running. Now this can be done like here on a laptop. The system is adaptive, which means if I open up a tablet, you will see that now, being that the tablet is not as wide, all the information has adjusted itself. And if I flip this tablet into the other mode, then it becomes wider. So on a cell phone, yes, on a cell phone, what's going to happen is your information is going to be narrower. But all the information, the important information in the settings will flip on, oh my God, will fit on a single screen on the cell phone. So it's coming out soon, a dual radio band decoder, the only one in the world. It can be also a single radio regular band decoder or a dual function single radio band decoder, meaning you can control both the antenna and the bandpass filters with different configuration at the same time. This is Victor Echo 2 Delta X-Ray. Remember, www.ve2dx.com to see all of our products. And we have quite a few, 73.